Hi students, in this video we will study the design and implementation of 1-bit magnitude comparator. So we know that the comparison of two numbers, comparison is an operation that compares two numbers and determine whether the first number is less than, greater than or equal to the second number. So magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit that compares two numbers A and B and determine their magnitudes. That means A greater than B, A less than B or A equal to B. So here A and B may be any number of bits, 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit or it may be n bits. So in this video we will study the design and implementation of 1-bit magnitude comparator. Here our aim is to design a 1-bit magnitude comparator that compares two 1-bit numbers A and B and determines whether A less than B, A greater than B and A equal to B. That is the statement of the problem. Okay. Then second step is determine the available inputs and the required outputs. So here inputs of the problem is two 1-bit numbers. Okay. Then output is, here we check the numbers and it output whether the first number is less than second number, first number is greater than second number and first number is equal to the second number. Then third step is assign label for the inputs and outputs. So here input is a two 1-bit numbers, so we can assign label for that numbers are A and B. Okay, A is the first number and B is the second number. Then assign label for the outputs. So here we have three outputs, less than, greater than or equal to. So we assign labeled as L4 less than, G4 greater than and E4 equal to. Right? So these two numbers A and B are compared, and if A less than B, then we get the output L. If A greater than B, then we get the output G. If A equal to B, then we get the output E. So if E is equal to 1, then both L and G are 0. Okay. Then if A less than B, then L is equal to 1 and G and E are 0. If A greater than B, then G is equal to 1 and L and E are 0. Right? Then fourth step for the problem is build the truth table. Okay. So here there are two inputs A and B and three outputs L, G and E. So there are 5 columns for this truth table. Okay. So this is the truth table. A and B represents the numbers, input numbers, first and second column. Then third, fourth and fifth column represents the outputs. Okay, that is less than, greater than and equal to. Okay, so here A and B numbers both may be equal to 0. So here we have two inputs. So in the truth table there are 2 raised to 4 input combinations. That means both numbers are same, 0, 0. First number is 0, second number is 1, first number is 1, second number is 0 and both numbers are 1. Okay. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0 means the numbers are equal. So E is equal to 1. Then L and G is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1 means A less than B. So L is equal to 1. G is equal to 0, E is equal to 0. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0 means first number is greater than second number, that is G. G is equal to 1, L and E is equal to 0. The last case A and B is equal to 1, so they are equal. So E is equal to 1, both L and G is equal to 0. So this is the truth table for the magnitude 1-bit magnitude comparator. Okay. Then fifth step is find the minimized Boolean expression for the outputs. So to find the minimized Boolean expression we have to draw the K-map. So here there are two inputs. So we have to draw a 2-variable K-map for the 3 outputs. So next we have to draw the K-map. So these are the K-map for L, K-map of L, G and E. So in the case of L, the output is equal to 1 for the minterm 0, 1. Okay. So in the case of G, the output is equal to 1 when the minterm is 1, 0. Then for E, the output is equal to 1 for 0, 0 and 1 1. So here not possible to group the ones, so we can write the expression. So the expression for L is equal to, here only 1 1, that is A bar B. Then expression for G is equal to, here also only 1 1, that is A B bar, right? So in the case of E, there are two ones, that is A bar B bar plus AB. So A bar B bar plus AB is equal to A XNOR B. Okay, so we can simply draw the logic circuit for the 1-bit magnitude comparator. So the next step is draw the logic circuit, that is implementation, right? So here first we can draw a XNOR gate. So this is an XNOR gate. Okay, so there are two inputs for the XNOR gate. The inputs are A and B. So we get E is equal to A XNOR B, right? Then for L, take A, then complement it, that means we get A bar. Then take B, then both A bar and B are ANDed together, we get L, that is A bar B. Similarly, in the case of G, we take A, okay, then take B. B is complemented, right? Then B and A are ANDed together, we get G. G is equal to A B bar. Okay, so this is the logic diagram for the 1-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, so here when both A and B are equal means that single bit is equal. Okay, here 1-bit magnitude comparator, so the input is only a single bit. That bits are equal, we can compare that with a XNOR gate, because XNOR is actually a equality detector, right? Then if A less than B means first number is less than second number. So here it is a binary number, we have only two digits, 0 and 1. So 0 is less than 1. Okay, 0 is less than 1 means A bar B, right? Then greater than A greater than B means first number is greater than second number, that is A B bar. Clear? Okay, so this is all about the design and implementation of 1-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, thank you.